We start with 1 hour chart. First of all, if we refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was within this move here, we mentioned we're looking at this flat. That's why we mentioned we were looking for price to drop, and we mentioned we want the price to break this low 11 0.11, because we mentioned we want to confirm this flat is finishing relative to this move. Then any reversal from there we can take the trade. And as what we can see as what we expected, the price drop, and now we're getting this correction. Technically, when we see this kind of the move, we can expect this one to continue for one more drop at least with the breakout of this low. Okay, that means still we can look for this one to give us one more drop. And the best thing is we want to see the price break the previous low. All right, before we take the trade. Anyway, the way it's moving is really corrective, and how about if the price reverse as a corrective move from here? That means this one can turn to a more complex and bigger correction. Okay, and the only times is if the price reverse here as a sharp move with the breakout of this, then we from there maybe we don't need to wait for the price to just break the previous low, this low, before we get the reversal. That's mean before we look for buy setup. That's mean if the price reverse from here with a sharp move and if Lago correction from there, maybe we can look consider as a buy setup for reversal. But again, the best thing is still we're looking at this, and we want to see this one break this low. Then from there we look for reversal. Okay. Anyway, what we have here is a corrective move and relative to this, and technically we can expect this one to give us one more drop. Anyway, we move to higher time frame. We want to see what we have based on daily chart. The only thing is we're looking at this one as a flat. Any reversal based on lower time frame, we can look for buy. And as I mentioned, there is no much changes. And even if we move to forward chart, even if the price from here doesn't draw, give us one more drop with the breakout of this low, maybe we can expect this one turn to a deeper correction similar to what we get here. That's why if we move to 1 hour chart, if the price start to reverse from here, if it turns to a corrective move, mostly we can expect this one to give us one more drop. If the price reverse from here without dropping to 0.11, the only times we can consider this is the start of the up move. If the price reverses a sharp move, flag or correction above this top. Okay. Anyway, we cannot look for buy. What we have here technically is a correction for one more drop at least. And having a trade above this is not a really good idea. Okay. Anyway, as I mentioned, there is no much different, and we can expect this one turn to a more complex correction. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.